welcome back to the Homies Garage. So as you can see, I'm in a little bit of a different place right now. I'm at Hector's new shop. Hector. Alright, bro. Hector got a dog and it's kind of harassing me right now, so that's what I'm fucking with right now. But there it is, bro. Look, there it is. It won't stop fucking with me. But alright, you guys. So as you saw in the last video, I was having some problems with the speakers. So right now, got the door panel off. He's gonna help me solder it. So right now, I just took off the panel. So we're gonna go ahead and bro, chill. We're gonna take off the speaker, get it off so he can solder it. All right, let's take it off. Just 4 little screws and we're good. You guys, while Hector tries to solder the other one over there, and take off this door panel, take out this speaker, and make sure it's the same thing. So same thing, 1, 2, 3 screws, a whole bunch of clips, pop it out, and then we'll unscrew the speaker and get it done.
Weirdo.
Thank you. Oh god.
Look at the floor.
Oh yeah, I know.
Touch it.
Nah, hell nah. That's steam sitting me.
Huh?
Hell no. You guys, after a little bit of time, we got all the speakers to work. So the reason this one wasn't really working, because the door jamb in the middle where it connects into, it doesn't really clip in there, so sometimes it like wiggles out of place. But let's check it out. Let's still on some uncopyrighted music. Let's see, they're all working now. Let's see what the bass is. Yep, and the rear ones are working. So, alright you guys, now that we're done with the speakers, I'm gonna go ahead and put the door panels on for all of these, and then see what happens next. Guys, so we got the car all put back together now. Got all the door panels on, everything's sounding good. Just gonna keep a watch out for that one side, you know what that clip I was telling you about. But now I'm gonna go give you a little run around of Hector's new shop, and then we'll get out of this place. Hector's new shop, it's like right across from O'Reilly's over there. It's 525 Morgan Mill Road, so let's go ahead and check this out. But to be honest, to find this shop, all you gotta do is you gotta follow all the Liquid Moly signs. Like if there's AutoZone, or not AutoZone, O'Reilly's, you can see the Liquid Moly signs. You pull around back here, you go in. So this is gonna be the front door where you guys are typically gonna come in. There are 2 open doors over there. Come in, you're gonna get to see all the name brand stuff you can get here. Right, look at this, clean, organized. Don't get much better than all of this. They do offer hydro dipping and stuff like that. It's at a different shop on Wolf Pond Road, but you can get all of this stuff pretty much done to your car. Got the signs. Like I said, 525. Let's go around the rest of the shop. And there is his dog April. She's kind of in trouble, but that's around the office area, storage. She's got all the cars out right now. Go a little bit around everything. There's only one lift since it's just him right now, so he's just kind of chilling. you guys can see, there's a whole wall of tires behind me. They do also offer the option to buy tires from them. They'll give you a list, you know, size, you send them what you need. They can usually help you out find something like that. My boy Hector can. And then also, they don't have it set up here yet, but they will be offering alignments for basically any vehicle you need, anything like that. So that's also coming soon. But guys, Hector does not like to be shown on camera, so if you guys want to see what Hector looks like, you're gonna have to come to the shop, get some work done on your cars. So I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time.